In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can play Cards Against Humanity online with your friends so you can keep yourself entertained during this quarantine. So here's how you do it. So you need to go to a website called playingcards.io. This is the website that you and your friends are going to need to be able to access so you can play Cards Against Humanity together. What makes this website different to a lot of other websites that you can play games on is this is essentially just a virtual board game table, and you make the rules and you follow the rules yourself and in your group of friends. So what you can do is you can go to this website, you can scroll down, and you can play all of these different games, but we'll click on Cards Against Humanity, and then we can click on Start Game. You can read a bit about the website and about the game. Now once you've clicked Start Game, you're going to get a link which you can share with your friends. You can copy that link and you can send that to your friends. I would recommend being on voice chat with them, maybe Skype, Discord, whatever. So we can click enter, and it's then going to enter us into a Cards Against Humanity game. Now everyone's going to be seeing all of the updates happen live. That wouldn't be there. So what you would need to do is first you would need to choose some cards and get some cards from the deck. You can see there's 500 cards and we can shuffle them. We can then start to drag cards down at the bottom here. Now only us can see those cards, and like if John was dragging cards as well, only John would be able to see his cards. So once you've dragged all of the cards that you play with, again I'm not too sure how many cards it is, so you would have to go and read the rules. You can then flip over the top card. TSA guidelines now prohibit blank on aeroplanes. So I'm going to put in this one here. John might put in a different one, so John might put in this one. And then it's up for the moderator to flip these cards and choose who wins. So let's just say I win, and then I will get the card. I think I get the black card. To know who's actually placed what card, you can go and edit it again, and I can choose this one here and enter the text Brad. And then we can know that this is going to be my card. So you can play around with the board and you can customize it however you like. But you need to know, and you and your group of friends need to know how to actually play the game for this to work. But once you all know how to play the game, it is great because there's no rules. You have to follow the rules yourself, and you can take more cards, you can reshuffle them, you can recall all of the cards to the deck. It's really easy to understand, it's got a simple interface, and it just works really well. So go and have fun with this with your friends. If this video did help you out, please make sure you leave a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comment section below if you're going to play it or not. Cheers guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.